Davtron has joined FindAvionics.com, the dynamic platform that bridges the skies between end customers, dealers, distributors, and manufacturers in the world of aviation commerce. Let's get started. Scroll down to Davtron and click on the logo. You can download the interactive PDF to get pricing and availability. You can narrow your product search directly through the Davtron website using the narrow product search. More links below that give you more access to the Davtron website. Let's explore the interactive catalog. The catalog provides detailed information on Davtron products, including pricing and availability. Let's take a look at the Model 800, operation input at 30 volts. If you're interested in the 14-volt lighting option with a Keep Alive feature powered by double AA batteries, click here for prices for the M800-14V-BAT. You'll now see options from various dealers. You can filter down to in stock only. Distributor stock shows 29 pieces. For dealers or OEMs looking for pricing and availability, click on this link so you can search for price and availability from our network of distributors. FindAvionics.com is connected with AvionicsDistributors.com, and Davtron's authorized distributors include Aero Performance, Dallas Avionics, Edmo Distributors, and Southern Cross Aviation. Let's click on the Davtron logo. Dealers can use the catalog for quick searches of pricing and availability with these approved distributors. Let's return to FindAvionics.com, the landing page for dealers. Let's explore the narrow product feature that Davtron has to offer. Click on Plot. Click on 2 1/4 installation. Let's select features, temperature, and voltage. Click on M803. Select the option to view prices with dealers, M803-28V-NVG. If you are a dealer or OEM, click on the distributor stock. At FindAvionics.com, dealers are the front line, directly interfacing with end customers. They are the MVPs of the industry. Our mission is to revolutionize the experience of our customers by pioneering an intuitive solution that effortlessly steers them toward optimal outcomes. We are committed to empowering our partners with seamless access to pricing and availability, enabling them to transcend traditional barriers and focus on what truly matters, providing exceptional service to their customers. FindAvionics.com is more than a platform. It's a team-driven ecosystem committed to the success of every participant. We aim to create a win-win scenario for all customers, dealers, distributors, and manufacturers. Our goal is to foster a system where the journey from manufacturer to end customer is not just a transaction, but a collaborative process that benefits everyone involved. Join us as we embark on this innovative journey, redefining the future of aviation commerce. Together, let's ensure that every flight plan is not only charted with precision, but also fulfilled with a shared commitment to excellence and collaboration. Welcome aboard FindAvionics.com, where every member is valued and every customer's need is our priority. Let's soar to new heights together.